The question is 4 power a plus 36b equals to 28. A and b are positive integers. Now let's solve this question. First of all, I would like to write down solution. Now by solving the question, let me repeat the question. 4 power a plus 36 power b equals to 28. Now let's solve the question further, as we can write this 4a in the form of 2 power 2a, plus we can also write this 36 as 6 power 2 or 6 square, and the power of b equals to 28. The next step is we can also exchange the 2 and a with each other, as it will give the same answer. So it should be like 2 power a, and it will become a whole square, plus 6 power b, and it's a whole square, that equals to 28. Now further solve the question. As we know in math, there's a formula, and that formula is a square plus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. So the formula, as we're applying this part of the question, that's why we have to convert this question into this part. So how? It is like, first one time we have to write in the positive form, and the second time in the negative form. So 2a plus 6, 2 power a plus 6b, 2 power a plus 6 power b. And the next one is 2 power a minus 6 power b equals to 28. Now we have to break this 28. We can write this 28 like we have to write down the different factors of 28. So one is like 1 times 28. The second one is 2 times 14. And the third one is 4 times 7. Now, according to some mathematical rules, the addition of these two numbers, this is even and this is also even, okay? So the answer for this will also be even, and the subtraction for this is even. The 2 is also even and the 6 is also even, so the subtraction of these two numbers will also give an even number. Now if you look toward these numbers here, if you look toward 1 and 28, so here 1 is odd and the 28 is even, so odd and even. And 2 and 14, this is even and even. And next one is 4 and 7, so 4 is even but 7 is odd. Now we have to check in all of these that which both are even. So the 2 and 14 are even here. So what should I do now? Is the addition give the larger number. So 2 plus 6 give you 8 and 2 minus 6 give you the negative, something negative. So it means it gives the smaller number, right? So the 2 power a plus 6 power b, we can write it equals to 14. And 2 power a negative 6 equals to what? That is 2. Now, further solving the question is negative 6 power b and positive 6 power b. So it can cancel the effect of each other. And now let's further. 14 plus 2 will give you what? It will give you 16 and 2a, right? So it's repeating, it means that 2 is repeating how many times? 2 times 2a. Next is, now let's continue, is we have to divide both the numbers by 2. This is divided by 2 and this number is also divided by 2, as dividing both sides with the 2. So this 2 is cancelled with this 2, and 16 divided by 2 will give you 8. And here we got only 2 power a. Or further, if we can solve it further, as you know, the 8 can be equals to 2 times 2 times 2. Or you can also write it as 2 cube. That will give you 8. So we can also write as 2 power 3 or 2 cube, and here is 2 power a. Now, according to mathematical rules, the bases are same here. Bases are equal, right? So the power must be equal. Bases are equal, so powers also must be equal. So from this we got that a equals to 3. Okay, as the bases are same, like 2 and 2 is same, so the powers are a and 3. So if the bases are equal, the powers must be equal. So from this I got the answer a equals to 3. Now I have to put this value of a into the previous equation. Now we have to put the value of a equals to 3 into this equation. So this equation was what? It is 2 power a plus 6 power b equals to 14. As we got in the answer, a equals to 3. So put a equals to 3. So 2 power 3 plus 6 power b equals to 14. So 2 power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which equals to 8, plus 6 power b equals to 14. Now, as there is no any variable with the a, so it will go to the other side, and the 6 power b equals to 14 minus 8 give you 6. 6 power b equals to 6. As the power of this 6 is only 1 here, and again the mathematical rule is applying here that if the bases are same, so the power must be equal. The powers must be equal. So now look at here, the bases are same, so it means the powers are also equal, and from here I got that b equals to only 1. So b equals to 1. So from the question we got the answer. The solution for this question is a equals to 3 and b equals to 1. If you have not liked my channel, like it, subscribe it, and also press the bell icon. Thank you.